Unraveling the Mystery. Losing One's Marbles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in English conversations: losing one's marbles. This phrase is not only vivid but also carries a unique meaning that we'll explore together. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Losing one's marbles is a colorful expression used to describe someone who is acting irrationally or losing their mental faculties. The phrase suggests that the person's thoughts or behaviors are as scattered as marbles that have been lost or spilled. It's important to note that this phrase is often used humorously or lightly, rather than to discuss serious mental health issues. The exact origin of losing one's marbles is a bit unclear, but it's believed to have surfaced in the late 19th or early 20th century. Marbles, the small glass or stone balls used in a children's game, symbolize the mind or one's sense of sanity. To lose them would imply a loss of control or coherence in thought, much like how scattered marbles would be hard to gather up again. Using losing one's marbles in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's typically used to describe someone's mental state or actions. For example, "I think the stress of the new job is getting to him. He's been losing his marbles." After searching for her keys for an hour, she exclaimed, "I must be losing my marbles." Remember, while it's a playful expression, it's best used in informal settings or with people who understand it's not meant to offend. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of losing one's marbles. It's a phrase that adds color and humor to the English language, illustrating how expressions can vividly depict mental states or behaviors. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English expressions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.